Welcome to the beginning of our journey through human evolution. Today, we're taking a step back, way back, about 7 million years ago, to the species that might be one of our oldest ancestors, Sahelanthropus tchadensis. We'll explore who they were, where they lived, and how they fit into the story of human evolution. In 2001, a team of scientists led by French paleontologist Michel Brunet made an extraordinary discovery in the Jurab Desert of Chad, in Central Africa. Buried in the sand was a nearly complete skull, dating back around 7 million years. They named this fossil Tumai, which in the local Goran language means hope of life. This discovery is one of the most important finds in our search for human origins. The skull of Sahelanthropus tchadensis is a blend of primitive and advanced traits. Its face is flatter than that of modern chimpanzees, with a smaller canines and more human-like teeth, but its brain was tiny, about the size of a chimpanzee's, at around 350 cubic centimeters. Despite these primitive traits, one key feature stands out: the position of the foramen magnum. The foramen magnum is the hole at the base of the skull where the spinal cord connects to the brain. In species that walk upright, like us, it is positioned toward the center, allowing the head to balance on top of the spine. In Sahelanthropus tchadensis, the foramen magnum is positioned in such a way that suggests it may have walked on two legs, a trait that distinguishes human ancestors from other apes. If Sahelanthropus tchadensis was indeed bipedal, it would push the origins of upright walking back by millions of years. This would mean that our ancestors began walking on two legs long before their brains began to grow larger. Unlike the savannas we often associate with early human evolution, Sahelanthropus tchadensis lived in a much more varied environment. Fossil evidence suggests that Chad's Jurab Desert was once a mix of woodlands, forests, and lakes. This diverse landscape would have provided Sahelanthropus with a wide range of food sources and allowed it to thrive in different habitats. This early hominin likely spent part of its time climbing trees, searching for fruit and leaves, and part of its time on the ground. Its small size and long arms suggest that it was well suited to life in the trees, but its possible bipedalism indicates that it may have been spending more time on the ground, walking upright. Sahelanthropus tchadensis marks the beginning of our long evolutionary journey. It lived just after the time when our ancestors diverged from the ancestors of modern chimpanzees, around 7 million years ago. But while its discovery has provided valuable insights into this ancient period, it has also raised many questions. Some scientists believe that Sahelanthropus tchadensis is the earliest known hominin, placing it directly in the human lineage. Others argue that it may belong to a separate branch of the evolutionary tree, representing a cousin of our ancestors, rather than a direct ancestor. The debate surrounding Sahelanthropus tchadensis highlights just how complex the story of human evolution is. As new fossils are discovered and our understanding of genetics improves, the puzzle of our origins becomes clearer, but also more intricate. More research is needed to determine exactly where Sahelanthropus fits into the story of human evolution. What's clear, though, is that Sahelanthropus tchadensis represents a key piece of the puzzle. Its discovery has pushed the origins of bipedalism and the early traits of human ancestors further back in time than we ever imagined. As we uncover more fossils and unlock more clues from the past, we're learning that the story of human evolution is far more complex and fascinating than we ever thought. And Sahelanthropus tchadensis is just the beginning. Join us as we continue to explore the incredible journey that led to modern humans. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest videos in this series, where we dive into each chapter of our evolutionary past, one discovery at a time.